One of the things that Common Ground does in New York, and that I know there's interest in doing, and there's more happening here in South Australia, is identifying problems early and focusing on prevention. A very easy thing to look at, for instance, is young people leaving the child welfare system, aging out of foster care, as we'd call it in the United States. Just overwhelmingly, those young people who've grown up without family support, who've had a history of trauma and instability in their family lives, they are overwhelmingly likely to experience homelessness as an adult. There's a group, for instance, that the state, that NGOs should particularly focus on in terms of providing housing assistance, a network of social support, adult mentoring, because this is a group that we simply know is vulnerable to homelessness because they don't have the family support resources or the experience of living independently, successfully, that will set them up for an adulthood that's stable and purposeful. Another group are individuals who come from jails, people who maybe are in jail not for major crimes, but for whatever set of events they participated in. But it doesn't help communities to keep people sort of spinning through these institutions, and to fail to, when people, for instance, leave jail, if they haven't had a place that was stable before then, to go back to a life of instability. That's just as a formula for social difficulty and for personal tragedy. Likewise, hospitals are beginning to ask these questions more frequently, because housing is such an important determinant of health. If you see someone coming through the emergency room again and again and again, not getting well, chances are that they're lacking a stable place to live or a functioning support network that can help them actually manage their health conditions and recover. And so these are some of the cases where we can see problems unfolding. We have an opportunity to intervene and create housing links and support links to people before they become homeless or before they become homeless again.